PartsCheck provides a platform for repairers and suppliers to communicate, compare prices, order parts and manage orders. This video will give you a brief overview on how to use the program. Even if you aren't using a quote package, you can still make use of the free software PartsCheck provide to help streamline your business. Once you've logged in, you'll arrive at the PartsCheck dashboard. You can select Send Quotes or Get Price to take you to the information page. Here, you will add in all the quote information, vehicle details and any comments. Click Next to take you to the Images page. Here, you'll be able to upload any photos of the vehicle to send to the supplier. Either click on the plus button or the Add Images button. Once this is done, simply click Next. The part type page is where you add parts you want quotes for. You can then select which type of supplier you want to send the information to: OEM dealers, used parts, aftermarket or reconditioned parts. You can also select a repair method for a particular part by clicking on the icon. Click Next to take you through to the suppliers screen. Here you can select which suppliers you wish to send it to. You have the option of picking and choosing preferred suppliers, or selecting others you think would be suitable from a range of PartsCheck members. You then pick a time you want the quote sent back by and hit Submit. The suppliers will see this come through and quote accordingly by the time you've specified. Click on Check Price to view your quotes and open up the relevant one. Here you can choose which parts are best suited to your job. PartsCheck will work out your margins automatically. For more information, visit www.partscheck.com.au.